Guys, have you been in ever situation where you want to hide a specific page in Figma, but you don't know how to do that? Well, there's no official way to do that. So, what you can do is you can use this cheat or a trick, which basically helps you to hide your page and your personal content or anything which you want to put on that page and hide it from everyone else who is using your Figma file. Okay, so well, that is not an official way or that is not a official page hide, but you can use this trick. So what you can do, you can move all your content in a page and move that page at the bottom of page stack in the page panel, and then just rename the page. You can double click on the page name, or you can just right click and say rename page. And then what you have to do is you have to use option shift and space and hit enter. So what exactly we did, we have hidden the page. No, yes, page is still there, but now when we go to the other pages, you can see this page is no more visible to the people until they move their mouse there. But if something is blank there, probably no one will notice what exactly is hidden there. So this way you can hide any specific page in Figma file, and as you know where it is, you can just simply go there and select that page, and while you are working you can rename that, or you can just keep it as it is hidden, a secret page for yourself in Figma. So yes, if you love this trick, then please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Till the next video, keep watching, keep learning, keep designing.